Now, let's talk about the Select Plus items. I was in a restaurant last night, J. Alexander's. Pretty good crowd there, nice restaurant. At the hostess stand, they had a little microphone. Had I commandeered that microphone and said, attention, 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 if you come to the hostess stand and give me your email address, I'll give you 6 months of paintless dent repair. How many people do you think would have gotten up? None. They don't know what it is. You ever had a ding or a dent?
Yep.
Ever had a ding or a dent?
Mm-hmm.
Ever had a ding or a dent?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get them fixed?
Nope.
Nope.
Me either. Nobody gets the sons of bitches fixed. Okay? All right, they just get mad. They get mad. But they don't get them fixed. But do they eventually end up paying for them?
Yes.
How?
Trade in.
When they trade the vehicle in. When Randy goes out and appraises a vehicle, well, he's got all sorts of data on his computer that'll tell him what the vehicle's worth, but he's got to check out the condition, doesn't he? Randy, if Q and I both have the same vehicle, same miles, same equipment, same make, model, year, and Q's got hardly any dings and dents, and I got a ton of them, which car's worth more?
Huge.
Q's. We got to let the customer know this. What's it cost at retail to get a ding or a dent the size of a dime fixed?
$500.
No.
About 150, 200.
No.
65.
About 60, 65 bucks. Okay? If it's big as a credit card, it might be 150. Okay? And if it's bigger than that, the paintless dent process can't make it work. Okay? But consumers don't know this. How many dings or dents will we fix during that first 6 months?
All of them. Unlimited.
The answer is all of them. Unlimited number. We only give them 2 visits to the paintless dent repair people. And by the way this works, customer calls up the 800 number and says, hey, I got dings and dents. We send them back here so your paintless dent repair people can do the work. Okay? But if they have 100 of them, we'll fix all 100 at no cost to the customer. We have to explain this to the customer. They don't know what it costs to get them fixed. They don't know that it's devaluing their vehicle.